and welcome to the latest Enfuce Money Mania episode live here at Seamless Europe. I'm your host, Ixan Mbang, and today I'm privileged to be joined by our next guest, Sofiane Chouane from Giesecke+Devrient, or G&D. So, Sofiane, please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about G&D in a nutshell.
Yeah, first, thank you for the invitation. So I'm Sofiane Chouane. I'm head of Fintech at G&D, Fintech Program. G&D is a security tech company, a global security tech company. We operate in three domains, which is the digital security domain, the currency technology domain, and the financial platform domain. We are 40,000 employees. We have a presence in 143 countries with subsidiaries and joint ventures. And yeah, we are an international player.
Yes, definitely. So G&D is definitely, would say, a leader in payments innovation today. So tell us a bit about how G&D started out literally in the money business.
Well, since the moment we printed our first banknote in 1854, G&D is synonymous of quality and security. So securing payments is part of our DNA. And over time, we evolved to a one-stop shop for banking and payment experiences. So that's basically what we do in collaboration with partners, of course. We produce and personalize more than hundreds of millions of cards every year. And we have produced so far billions of banknotes globally in the world.
Yeah, no, definitely impressive, and a payments leader in that innovation space. And you've moved over decades from just paper currency to cards, but now you've reinvented that too. So tell us a bit about how G&D is aiming to eliminate virgin plastic from its payments product by 2030, that initiative.
Thank you for the question. In fact, the ESG policy or strategy of G&D is managed at a central level, so to bring more efficiency and coordination. The pledge is something that's very proud of, Pledge 2030. So G&D pledges to end the use of virgin plastic by 2030. We're really proud of that. We were the first one to make this commitment. We support this initiative with a portfolio of sustainable products. For instance, with product-based card products, based on PLA material or recycled PVC material. We have as well the card made of ocean plastic, and this is what we are providing to our customer to help them create a truly eco card payment strategy. And of course, it's a market trend. It's not just something that we do with our customers. Yes, exactly. And it's a trend which with a growth, a two-digit growth every year. So by 2030, we expect a pretty transparent move from the plastic to this new material that will be probably recycled PVC and all that.
No, exactly. And on that topic as well, what other eco-innovations do you see in the horizon in the payment space in general? Yeah,
in general, in fact, we strongly believe in the, let's say, connection between digital and physical. So there are some, again, with partners at G&D, we created, for instance, digital services who helps you to control, monitor, limit, and offset your carbon footprint. We do that with Doconomy or Patch as partners. And of course, we complement this kind of initiative with our card products. That's how we create offerings to the market. And of course, we are as well on the longer term looking into how to manage the end-to-end card life cycle and recycling aspect of the cards. It will probably require discussion and agreement among the industry to align on the condition and to create economies of scale.
No, yeah, absolutely. And I think that will be a lot more prevalent in the kind of payment industry, everyone becoming more eco-friendly. I think everyone also drives towards those targets.
Correct. I mean, there's a strong push from the consumer. The market is following, and we serve the market accordingly, and we, of course, go in that direction. In fact, even at GND, within our own infrastructure, we innovate by applying new processes or by using different materials to limit the resources. You know that in this domain, we consume a lot of resources, ink, etc., which are not so good for the planet. So that's basically what we're trying to reinvent as well at all levels and it's our contribution.
Yeah, I think that's incredible. But lastly, we're here at Seamless. What trends are you seeing at the show, and any predictions for our industry going into 2025?
So thank you for the question. Again, I will not try to give prediction. I'm not so good in that. I don't bet, to be honest. But no, what I've seen here in 2 days is really, first of all, I would say we really see the payment multiverse here because there are many, many players present and having very strong offerings among the value chain. So they are all looking for a share of the pie, I would say. But at the same time, what I strongly believe as a head of Fintech Program at GND, that we'll have more and more consolidation, I would say, among the different players here, especially in the fintech space, and partnerships still remain very key, especially in this objective for fintechs, especially to find a profitability path. So that's what we see. Of course, this is boosted by technology, AI, compliance. In fact, compliance and regulation are very key for fintechs as well. So it still remains very important here, and a lot of players here are promoting it. But I still believe that consolidation and partnership are really the two elements that will remain and that are super important. Absolutely. I would say in that domain.
Yeah, no, I agree too. But I want to say thanks so much, Sofiane, for being a guest for Money Mania, and thanks for your thoughts.